Morning, guys! It's our third day here in Taiwan, guys. Our breakfast is already here. Bumalik lang kami dito dun sa breakfast place na pinuntahan namin kahapon. But this time around, we ordered different stuff. We are having itong parang chicken leg omelette. Tapos merong scallion pancake dito with cheese. Also, cheese omelette. And look, we're seeing the 7-Eleven that is Sanrio themed. So we're crossing that street going there so we can drop by. Kasi on the way naman yung next stop natin, which is National Taiwan Museum. Look at how nice it is when it's sunny. Here's the Sanrio themed 7-Eleven. Pasok tayo. May claw machines. Diba? Ang cool. May claw machines sa 7-Eleven. Hello! My favorite. Pom-pom. If you're staying in Ximending and you want somewhere to go that is chill, you might want to consider going here sa National Taiwan Museum. Walkable lang. In its full glory. Ayan. Let's see how much it costs to get inside. Let's get tickets to the museum, guys. Ang cutie ng tickets, guys. We already got tickets. It's for 30 NTD lang. So, 60 pesos. Diba? And then, may entry na rin to National History Museum. Ang ganda. Ang gandang souvenir. I love it. Tapos, yung mga guides nila, pwede kayong kumuha dito. Old Taipei. Guys, there's a stamp area here. So, hindi natin yan palalagpasin as always. So, let's get a stamp from the National Taiwan Museum. Also stamped itong mga guides na natin. Let me show you the stamp I got. See? Let's go.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay.
Thank you. Wow, look at the architecture, guys, of this building. Ang ganda. Ano? Video sa dahil sa taas, sa baba kasi. Oh, pasok na tayo. Kung gusto niyo somewhere indoors, this is the place to be. Oh, rhinoceros! Fossil exhibit. Kung meron din kayong mga kasamang kids, guys, maganda sila dalhin dito. Gallery 1F. I think Wings Over the Island. These are butterfly themed exhibit. This is familiar. Ibong Tiririt Maya. Guys, there's so much to see in this museum. So, if meron kayong free time and you wanna get into the history of Taiwan, you might wanna come here. Pero, ang nakikita ko mag-enjoy talaga dito are kids kasi mostly installations of, mga animals, bones, ganyan, mga relic. I would also see adults enjoying here, but if may kids kayo, this is something na, or this is somewhere that they can go also, where I would say you both will enjoy. So this is the National Taiwan Museum, and for 30 NTD or 60 pesos, meron ka nang pwedeng puntahan dito sa Taiwan. Guys, we just left the National Taiwan Museum. Now we're walking towards MRT station. Here's the station, guys. This is NTU Hospital Station. As in, katabi lang siya ng museum, so it wouldn't be difficult to get here, or also if you wanna get to another spot after, dito kayo pwedeng sumakay through metro. We're here, guys, at Zhongshan, and eto, nandito yung mga tao. Kanina ang tahimik dun sa area ng kung nasan kami. Ngayon, punong-puno ng tao. Bubungad sa inyo after the station, and may mga food stalls. And then this entire area is what I believe to be the trendy Zhongshan area. Then kita mo na agad yung mga local brands, local sellers and artisans. I think they're just setting up.
Can use for wash your face and for shower.
I see, I see.
Would you like to try it?
Is it okay to touch?
Yes. I
Oh,
will put it in the water so you feel it.
okay. Oh, ang ganda na feels. Pasok tayo sa mga stores. This is Aeopia. Very Gen Z vibes. Mga cute stuff. Guys, we're inside this cafe called Iki. We're just ordering our drinks to chill out a bit kasi medyo mataas pa yung araw, and then medyo napagod kami paglalakad. So I'm ordering matcha with oat milk. Maganda yung color ng matcha, pero as you can see, when it's mixed, it gets into a lighter green. It's on the milkier side, guys. Continuing our exploration of Zhongshan. Ito, guys, similar nung na-try natin sa Singapore, yung parang laundry-inspired na photo booth. Guys, walang definite itinerary kami dito sa Zhongshan. We just really want to explore the area. But what I can tell you is that walang shortage of alleyways that are, you know, picture or Instagram worthy. And then, ang dami rin cafes dito where you can hang with your friends. So, worth it siyang puntahan. I would say so. We're inside Samoando, guys. Yeah, I want to get the feel of their bags in person. This is the first time I've been in a Samoando store. Ganda nito, guys. Pwedeng, parang feeling ko kasha laptop. Ito, guys, yung Coach Coffee Shop. Since nag-cafe na kami, hindi na kami papasok. But it's a nice tourist attraction din here. If you wanna get your picture taken, ayan, you can. Meron ditong bench outside. Guys, we're in Wufenpu. This is exit 4. Actually, ito yung Zhongshan Station, exit 4, going to Wufenpu Shopping District. Tapos, paglabas nyo, ayun yung parang may temple doon. Pwede kayong dumaan. Guys, ang haba nitong Wufenpu Shopping District. Tapos, yung mga clothes ranging from 100 to 500 mostly. 500 NTD. Gaganda ng bags nila, guys. I wanna ask, pero nagla-live selling kasi yung may-ari. So, sige, let's skip it. Guys, we've been walking around Wolf and Pooh for like 30 minutes now. And one thing that we learned about this after talking to a store owner, yung mga display nila dito para kasing naka-plastic. And what he said is that mostly kasi wholesaler yung nandito, hindi sila retailer. Walang mga nakalagay na presyo kalimitan. Pag may mga naka-sale, meron silang rod specific for that. We're on our way back to Simending. We'll go to Carrefour maybe to buy pasalubong. That's our day here in Wolf and Pooh. Fortunately, wala kami nabili. We did not fancy yung mga paninda nila. Pero magaganda naman. Meron namang magaganda. Namamahalan lang din kami if we convert it to peso. Especially now, balik na tayo. We're just going to take the same metro from Songshan Station going back to Simending. There is the Songshan Station, guys. Time check, it's 5:39. Palubog na yung araw. As you can see, it's already golden hour. Day is almost done. We're just waiting to cross the street going to the station. We're on our way to dinner. We're in Simending, guys. We're looking for a place to eat para sa dinner namin. Ayan, look at Simending kapag walang ulan, diba? Buhay na buhay siya. And marami ng tao. Time check, it's 7:47 p.m. Dito tayo ulit, guys, sa Wanyan, looking for dinner. So, pumasok kami ng Wanyan Building for dinner kasi maraming mga restaurants dito. We ended up at one of the restaurants inside. Yung name niya is King and Queen Cuisine. Mukhang mga locals yung kumakain. And mukhang promising naman. Decent din yung prices. Our first order is here, guys. Teriyaki chicken noodles. This is sweet and sour chicken. Thank you! Curry, yeah. This is curry chicken naman, guys. It also comes with cabbage, soft tofu, and broccoli. Ang init pa, oh. Nagsisteam pa. Ang laki ng strips ng chicken, guys. This is also 130 NTD. Ito na rin yung side ng chicken that we ordered. This is salt and pepper. Ito naman, guys, yung parang scallion oil na rice meal. Meron din siyang cabbage, tofu, and broccoli. Tinikman na namin, guys, yung tofu, and masarap siya. Parang siyang between salty and savory. Here's our clam soup, guys. Let's start eating. Simple lang siya, pero masarap. Chicken strip. Nakatanggal naman. Salt and pepper lang siya. Simple. Thankfully, we're happy with the dinner today. Ang sarap ng chili nila, guys. You know what? Yung food nila, very close to the Filipino palate. So glad we came here. Tapos may Coke. We'll get itong Ayu Jelly Lemon Ice. Sure. Wow, this is lemony. We're here at Carrefour Market for some pasalubong shopping. They're open 24 hours. Ayan yung mga noodles, guys. 134 per pack. Candies and desserts. The jerky. Ayan, meron mga biscuits dito. 59. Wafers, 30. Ba't ibang flavors yan? Ayan. Kung okay din to mga sea salt cracker. These are 97 NTP. Get one. Oh, butter crackers. So guys, I'll buy this for my office mates na mahilig sa sunflower seed. Dito guys, kung gusto nyong magpasalubong ng pineapple cake, kung first time nyo sa Taiwan, dito sa Carrefour, 60 NTD ang isa. Yung ganitong size.
Lady, look. One piece, $5. How many?
3, yeah. May bayad pala yung plastic guys, $5. Ay, ito na yung napamili natin. At saka yung basket na yun. Guys, we're also dropping by Mr. Ho for additional pasalubong. Ayan, dito yan sa Simanding area. Bumili kami ng ganito. Dinamihan ko na kasi ito yung favorite ng mga ka-work ko na pinasalubungan ko. Bumili kami ng 4. Tapos binigyan kami ng free na 4 na ganito. Diba? Sulit. I'll also get salted egg cookie. 1 bag is 140. Yan lahat yung napamili namin, guys. 1149. Okay na kami. Okay na kami sa pasalubong. For breakfast, guys, dito kami sa Seaman yung Hoya soy milk kasi ang daming tao doon sa usual breakfast place namin. Try natin to, maiba naman. Breakfast is here, guys. Bumili lang kami nitong pancake na with cheese and vegetable. Tapos, 1 hot soya. That's our breakfast for today. We'll just finish everything, get going. We'll be going to Wulai today, guys. We're heading to Singyan now, guys. We're here at Seaman. Then we're taking the green line going to Sindian. Ayan, guys. Yung pa-Sindian na train from Seaman Station all the way to dulo na siya. Ayan, Sindian. 12 stop siya. Green line.
Please do not smoke, eat.
Guys, buti na lang nakaupo tayo kasi 11 stop siya, malayo-layo. So, mga nasa 22 minutes din yun kung nakatayo tayo. Thankfully, we made it. We just got off the train and we're exiting papunta dun sa terminal station, guys, dito sa Sindian. Ang next natin is sasakay na tayo ng bus. Papunta na yon sa Wulai Old Street, guys. Dito na tayo sa Sindian Station. Tingnan natin yung sasakyan natin. From here sa Sindian Station, sasakay tayo pa Wulai Terminal Station ng bus. Medyo malayo 29 minutes away. Guys, pro tip, pag nandun na kayo sa station, labas kayo ha, tapos hanapin nyo tong waiting shed na to. Andito yan sa gilid ng kalsada. May nakalagay dyan 849. Meron namang mga upuan dito if mag-aantay kayo. Guys, tingnan nyo yung view. Ayan, dagat yata to. Tapos may bridge. Ang ganda. Alam nyo yung daan dito, guys, para kayong umakyat ng Baguio. Bitukang manok siya. Medyo nahilo kami. And halfway through the ride, nakaupo naman, thankfully. Pero yun, medyo mahaba talaga siya. We've gone to the coastal area. Now we're doing a nature trip in Wulai. Woo! Ang lakas ng hangin. Ang sarap. Very much giving Baguio vibes. Ang saya. 1, 2, 3, zoom. Pindutin mo to. Guys, andito na tayo sa Old Street. Tapos dito, ang bubungad naman sa inyo, mga food stalls. Ayan, cuttlefish ball, yun yung hinahanap namin kasi favorite namin yan. Ito yung binili natin. Cuttlefish ball. For 50 NTD pala siya. 100 pesos. Pero ito siya. Medyo mainit. Pero mas okay na yung mainit kaysa maulan. Hanapin lang natin kung saan papunta yung log cart. Old Street siya. So, parang Jofen. May bihon. Parang may bihon, guys. Liquor stores. Tapos ito parang mga sweets. Diba? It's giving Jofen Old Street din. Pumasok kami dito sa parang isang souvenir shop. Cutie. Yung main feature nila is itong log cart. This is 60 NTD. Diba? Ang cute. We've reached the tail end of the old street. And then as you can see, there's already the bridge, guys. There's a view of the bridge that we will cross there. Taas ng araw. Pero I like the vibes here, guys. Very chill. Woo! It's summer. Summer is summering. Ito yung Leung Tranan Nanshi River. Tapos, if you can see, ayun yung sign sa taas ng Wulay Log Cart. Diyan tayo papunta. Okay, papunta na tayo ng log cart, guys. Tara, mahaba-habang akyatan to. Walking. More akyat. Oh, may cafe dito pag akyat, guys. Legs are shaking. Meron pang isa. Finally, yan na guys yung log cart. Punta tayo sa bilihan ng tickets. And may toilet dito kung gusto nyo mag-toilet. Ayun yung bilihan ng ticket, guys. Kung wala pa kayong ticket. Pwede nyo din to i-book sa Klook. Regular lang tayo. So guys, apparently yung 50 NTD are for people na adult or age above 7 years old. Yung special is for kids under 7. Tapos, if you're disabled, free sumakay. Ito na yung atin. Doon nga tayo napunta sa green, guys. Gusto sana namin yung pink. Tayo sa tabi ng driver. Parada na siya. Amazing! Grabe, ang gandang nature trip nito, guys. Parang ang sarap ng ice cream nila dito. Yun, no? Iba't ibang fruit flavor. Mamaya balikan natin yan. Bili tayo. Guys, ito naman yung daan. If gusto nyo mag-cable car, ayan yung daan. 100 meters ahead yung sakayan. Mamaya pupunta tayo dyan. But hanapin muna natin yung view deck for the falls. So guys, nahanap natin yung view deck. Baba lang tayo dito para makapag sightsee tayo and take ng pictures. Wow! Ang ganda, guys! Parang hindi kayang bigyan justice ng camera ko, pero ang ganda niya. ayaw nyo guys bumaba dun sa view deck, meron din dito. Magandang pwedeng pagpicturean din dito sa waterfalls. Nag-decide kami to eat our lunch kasi 12 na. Time check tayo. It's 12:58. Almost 1 na rin pala. So, nandito lang kami sa isang random restaurant run by parang mga lola. Ang bango nung niluluto nila. Hopefully, masarap dito. Parang fusion siya. May Japanese, may Taiwanese, and may Chinese na mga meals. Some of the dishes that we ordered are already here. My seafood udon is here. Looks good. We also ordered omelette, karaage, salmon, fried rice, and then we're just waiting for a couple more dishes to go. Pero sinimulan na namin to kasi gutom na kami kanina. Clean tasting. It's not too heavily seasoned. Actually, leaning on bland siya. I'll put spicy sauce para medyo magkaroon ng kick. And of course, the shrimpies. Let's try. Salmon fried rice. Paakyat na tayo guys. Papunta dun sa cable car. We just finished lunch. Make sure to bring yung pinaka-comfortable na pair of shoes ninyo kasi maraming stairs kayong susungin dito. Bukod sa maraming lakad. Guys, grabe. Malalang akyatan. Mahulog pa.
Gulong ka talaga.
Muntik pa ako mahulog. Oh my God. Guys, for your info, itong cable car is from Mondays to Fridays. Saturdays, Sundays, and national holidays. Pero magkaiba yung fare. Since it's a Saturday, tig 300 kami. And we're taking yung tram, guys. Dito na tayo sa pila. Medyo malayo pa tayo ng konti. Yun na guys, yung tram natin. Sabay na tayo. We're inside the tram, guys. Ang dami palang pwedeng i-fit nito. Waiting lang kami na magsara yung pinto and makaalis. So, it's a different experience for sure. Yung maramihan kayo sa loob ng cable car. Medyo mas skeptic ako. Yeah, but be prepared sa dami ng hagdan na aakyatin niyo just to get here. Better to go on a weekday para medyo mas mura ng konti. 250 siya kapag weekday. Guys, we're out of the cable car and here is the view deck. Ang ganda. Ayun, kanina guys, dun tayo galing yung red na bridge. I don't know if you guys can see from here. Pero, ayan, dun tayo bumaba kanina. Tingnan nyo to, kung paano nila binababa yung mga goods. Thank God for a beautiful weather because we were able to enjoy this wonderful, wonderful view, guys. Bili lang tayo ng ice cream. Chill lang tayo a bit dito bago tayo bumalik. Ayan. This is for 85 NTD. Medyo mahal ha. Ito yung mga flavors nila. Yogurt, pineapple, strawberry, blueberry, caramel pudding, Swiss chocolate, mint chocolate, mango, vanilla, and chocolate.
Wow. Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you. Life is so good. Guys, we've just been chilling here and ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin dito. Sobrang presko. Kung nasan to, sobrang taas as in nasa mountainous area na siya. The air quality is really good. Nakakaantok actually, ang sarap matulog. Next tram, sasakay na tayo. It's already 3 PM anyway. So, sakto lang siya para makabalik tayo ng Ximending. Diretso na kami sa bus station. Pabalik ulit ng Xindian, and then from Xindian, mag-MRT lang tayo ulit. Pabalik naman ng Ximending. So, probably we'll be there around 5 PM. Between 5 to 6 PM. So, that gives us enough time to buy more pasulubongs kung may bibilin and, do some shopping and roaming around Ximending, get some dinner maybe from Ximending or Shilin. I'll update you guys. But yeah, that's been our time here in Wulai. Hurry up, he said. Back in Ximending, guys. Sobrang daming tao kasi it's a Saturday. Ximending in the afternoon. Next is guys, it's 7:30 p.m. and we're back in Ximending to find dinner. We already have a place in mind and we're just looking for it. We found it over at TikTok. Oh, this is it. Frying chicken leg. Looks yummy. We're here, guys, and may konting pila. Yung price ranges nila is between 50 to 160. Very unassuming siya from the outside. And nasa alleyway siya sa Ximending. Guys, we found a seat. We got seated actually pretty quickly naman. We already ordered, tapos we're just waiting for it. We were told the wait time is 5 minutes, and considering the amount of people here now, 5 minutes is pretty quick. Just be ready to share tables with other people kasi meron kami mga katabi. Dahil nga busy, the important thing is masarap yung magiging dinner natin. So hopefully it lives up to the hype. Here, guys, our chicken. Sakto dumating na din yung mga dim sum na in-order namin. We're just waiting to cross the street to try and see if meron pa ng crispy donuts. We're sold out of the donuts na, guys. Well, I guess that's activity for when we come back to Taipei. Hopefully, we can soon para matry natin siya. Pero yun lang, sayang. Uwi na kami, so hindi na natin siya matatry. Morning, guys! We just checked out of our hotel. And now, since it's just past 4 a.m., we're looking for the bus station going to Taoyuan International Airport because the metro doesn't open until 6 a.m. So, kailangan natin makatch yung 5 a.m. bus so we can make it to our 9 a.m. flight. And naglalakad kami, guys, papunta ng Ximending to find the bus stop going to the airport. And sobrang aga pa. Pasikat pa lang yung araw. Padilim pa, guys. Yun yung Ximending Walker Street, guys. Bye-bye! Tayo. Let's cross the street. Magka-cross ulit tayo, guys, papunta dun sa may kabila. Dito sa may Ximending Exit 3. Papunta doon yung sasakayan natin ng bus. Bye-bye, Hotel 6. Yung hotel namin, guys. We're already checked in and done with the immigration, guys. We're just going to our gate. Ayun yung gate C1. Ang ganda dito sa Terminal 2, guys. Mas malaki siya and mas parang newer yung feeling.